Hey everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, I am the face, the voice, and the hands behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co., under its channel, and anywhere else you may find me on the web because I'm kind of everywhere. Anywho, the point of today's video is I am holding a giveaway over on my blog for one of these Lion Brand mystery boxes. So about the middle of June they brought them out and I had to snatch one up for myself because why not? You know, I needed other fibers, but I was like, okay, let me just use this as an excuse to buy more yarn. So what I did, I bought two of them because I also thought it would be a good idea to give one away. So that's what I'm doing. I'll leave the blog post linked down in my description box below. The giveaway runs until June 30th at midnight, so you have all the way until then to sign up for the giveaway, and I'll be holding a drawing on July 1st, and the person will have about a week to claim their prize and whatnot. It's going to be super fun, so I hope you'll come and join me. And until next time, guys, happy making.